Okay, tonight for dinner I'm making taco soup. The full video of this is linked down below or above on the iCard. So I'm just browning up some 2 pounds of ground beef with a whole onion and 1 whole green pepper. So now we're gonna just dump in petite diced tomatoes, kidney beans, black beans, tomato sauce, corn, and beef broth. Derek was awesome, washed the tops, now he's opening them for me. And then we'll put some taco seasoning in, let this simmer for a little while, and bam, you have taco soup. So you're gonna add in some taco seasonings, about 6 tablespoons or more. We do it off of flavor. We kind of like a little kick, so I'm just gonna add some of this in. Okay, now I'm just gonna let this simmer for 30 minutes and I'll show you how I plate it up. And here's dinner taco soup. I put a dollop of sour cream with some green onions. You can even do cilantro, some cheese, and you can eat it with tortilla chips. It's so good. I'll have a link down below for you. I put some leftover taco soup in this big green bowl. And then back here I put some in the freezer for another day. Love when I could double the meals and have a freezer meal.